Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Hockey Ultimate Team error code, failed to retrieve data. The error reads, failed to retrieve data, please try again later. As per our research, this error occurs after completing a HUT tutorial challenge. When players try to collect their reward, they receive this error and are unable to proceed. To deal with the error first, we suggest power cycling your console and router. To do this, turn off your console and unplug it from the power source. Then unplug your router as well. Then wait for about 2 minutes, then plug in the router first and let it fully restart. Now plug in your console, turn it on, and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, and you are getting this error while creating your team, then try using a different team name. We have found that the error may occur when selecting a name that is already in use. If the error continues and you are on Xbox, try deleting the personal save data for NHL 23. Simply press the guide button and highlight the NHL 23 tile. Then press the menu button, the small one to the right of the guide button with 3 horizontal lines. Then go to Manage Game and Add-ons / then select Saved Data. Then delete the file with your gamertag on it. Then check for the error again. Please note that this may delete offline saves and custom settings. Normally these settings re-download from the cloud, but we cannot guarantee it. If the error still persists, then it is likely a server-side issue. In this case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. If the error continues for too long, consider reaching out to game support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.